Namaste. Welcome to my channel Heal with Neha. My name is Neha Jaiswal and I'm a certified yoga teacher from Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. I deal with women, especially with thyroid and PCOD issues. Okay, so this video is going to be all about 5 tips to reduce hair fall in hypothyroidism. So let's get started. Okay, so now the first thing that you have to include in your daily routine to reduce hair fall is yogasan. Yes, there are many yogasan where you're going to invert your head down and sometimes you're going to take your head backwards. This is going to stimulate your blood flow. Your scalp is going to receive more amount of good blood. Otherwise, when you're sitting like this, and your heart needs to pump blood in the opposite direction of gravity, it is very difficult, right? So in yoga, what we do is we ask our you show the asanas where you're bowing down, we are going backwards, where your head is getting good amount of blood supply. This is very important that you do it every single day. It's not like doing once in a while and just letting it go, but this should become one of a daily part of your life. It's very, very important. There are many asanas like Setu Bandhasan, Saral Matsyasana, Bhujangasana, Parvatasana, where you invert your head down, right? There are so many asanas that can help you with this. Regularly practicing these asanas will definitely help in reducing your hair fall. Now let's move on to the second point here. The second point is include seeds, nuts in your diet. Yes, it's very important that you snack only upon seeds and nuts in your day-to-day life. No junk food and no packaged food. If you have to snack, if you want to eat, in between meals, if you feel hungry, you are going to eat some seeds or nuts. Seeds you can include like pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds, right? And in nuts you can have any kind of nuts, walnuts, badam you can have, or um, you can also have apricot. There are so many nuts that you can have. So make sure you snack upon nuts. They are filled with the nutrients that your scalp needs to grow good amount of hair and to reduce that hair fall. These nuts have the best form of oils that can help you to reduce hair fall. So please include these in your diet. Now let's move on to the third point, regular tests. Yes, it's very important that you get yourself regularly tested at least once in a 3 months. What happens is if your readings are going abnormal, agar wo higher side mein ja rahe hain, then you would need a different kind of treatment. Or if they're going on the lower side, maybe you're doing good amount of yoga and taking healthy food and your thyroid values come down, right? If you are doing any program on thyroid, your test reports will come down and they come to a little normal side, right? In that case, if you're taking medicine for higher value, then it is not good for your hair. Okay, so it's not good for your hair, for your entire body, and for your entire well-being. So make sure that you are going to get yourself tested regularly at least once in a 3 months, right? So next, let's move on to the fourth point, which is keeping your gut clean. Keep your gut clean. It's very important that your gut is clean. Otherwise, it is going to create lot of issues. It's going to interfere with the medications. The medication, it will not get absorbed properly. Your nutrients, whatever you're trying to take, may not get absorbed properly. Gut is directly connected to your well-being, right? A clean gut and a clean, healthy body. Now, how would you connect this to your hair? Because yes, your hair, your scalp needs good, pure blood. But if your gut is not clean, that means there will be, not good blood that is flowing in your body. It will be, you can say, corrupted blood, or it's not good, not good blood. It's not that pure, right? So it's very important that you keep your gut clean. You can use many things, like you can do intermittent fasting for 16 hours. It is very effective. It has helped many of my clients to get their beautiful hair back, right? 16 hours of intermittent fasting. You can eat more fibrous fruits and vegetables. All this is going to help you, right? You need not go for any medication especially, but simple things like eating good healthy food, fibrous fruits, and doing intermittent fasting will keep your gut clean. There's one more thing that you can do is to reduce to reduce your hair fall and to keep your gut clean, is to eat the carbohydrates, the carbs that you're taking, or you may say the rice or roti or whatever you're taking, just take it one time in a day. Do not have multiple times. Do not eat rice for 3 times. Do not eat roti for 3 times. It's not good for your gut. It damages very badly. It's not only for somebody who's suffering from hypothyroidism, it is for everybody, including a normal person, right? So keep your gut clean. Eat your meal, your carbs only once in a day. Rest of the day, try to include other things like salad, fruit juices, or some fruit cuts, or nuts, seeds, or some other food, So this is very, very important that you keep your gut clean. Let's move on to the fifth point. It is stop comparing. Yes, please, please, please stop comparing yourself. See, physically how you appear, women especially compares themselves a lot with other women, right? They forget what is good in them and they see only good in others, and they compare that feature with them, and there the entire story changes. Please do not compare yourself. Do not overthink much. You are beautiful the way you are. Okay, take care of yourself and everything else will fall in place. So here is the summary of all the 5 tips. Yogasan, include seeds and nuts, regular tests, keep your gut clean, and stop comparing. These are the 5 tips that you need to reduce your hair fall while you're dealing with hypothyroidism. If you have liked this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to get more such videos. Okay. If you are interested to join my program, which is called a Spark program, where I heal people suffering from thyroid issues, you will find the link below in the description. You can reach out to me, schedule a free call, and we can start our healing journey without medication. Thank you so much.